In this video, learn how to install and remove a round knob door lock. To remove the interior knob, locate the small hole next to it. Use a spanner wrench to push the retainer pin and pull off the knob. Next, unscrew the rosette by turning it counterclockwise. By following the same steps, you can remove the old lock from your door. Simply press into the hole and pull off the knob. Let's install the lock. First, ensure the strike plate is properly secured to the door jamb. In fact, I plan to use the strike plate from the old lock. Since I am replacing the lock, the necessary holes are already in the door. You don't need to drill new holes as all locks on the market have a universal same size. The next step is to install the latch assembly of the lock set into the door. Insert the latch into the door and tighten the screws on the faceplate. Now insert the lock assembly into the hole, ensuring that the retainer legs hook onto the latch assembly. Let me demonstrate. I'm using the latch from an old lock to demonstrate how the parts engage. Insert the lock into the door hole correctly and test it by turning the exterior knob. Next, insert the mounting plate and align its screw holes with those of the lock. Secure the screws onto the mounting plate. Attach the rosette over the plate by screwing it in clockwise. Visit our website to discover cutting-edge door locks that utilize advanced fingerprint scanning technology for secure and convenient unlocking. Finally, to attach the interior knob, locate the groove on it. Align the groove line of the knob with that of the lock cylinder. Then push and rotate the knob. Success! You can now test the lock by turning the keys as well as the interior and exterior knobs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel.